Good morning or good afternoon, everyone, depending on what part of the world you're in. Today, it's my first Pokemon card unboxing video on YouTube. So we have the Lucario V-Star collection here with the Jumbo card and 6 booster packs. We're going to be opening that up today, checking everything out. I just bought this at Kmart for $80 Australian. I did have Flybuys points, so I didn't actually have to pay for it with any of my own money, so that was excellent. So just getting the glue on the end here opened. We'll slide out that tray and go through everything that we've got. So this just slides out like so. Pop the top off. We've got one card that stayed behind. Which is this Lucario VMAX, V-Star, sorry. We also have a jumbo version of that exact same card right here. Very, very nice to be getting all of these put away into a sleeve once I finish with this video. There is a code just here, and what I'll be doing with that is, bam, first one to use it. So go ahead and use that if you're the first person to watch this video. That is a giveaway to get this channel started on a good note. Right here we have the badge. And we also have another badge, which is this V-Star, which I believe is actually almost looks like a fridge magnet. And lastly, we have probably the main reason why you clicked on this video. We have 6 booster packs from various sets. We have 2 from Brilliant Stars, 2 from Fusion Strike, 3 from Fusion Strike, and 1 from Chilling Reign. So we will get started on the Brilliant Stars one straight up. Hopefully get some nice pulls, hopefully some Vs, some VMAXs, some V-Stars. So same deal with these codes. If you want to go ahead and use that, that is absolutely fine. That is a giveaway. So first up we have a Bidoof, a Sneasel, a Grimer, Execute, Farfetch'd, a Magma Basin, there's our reverse holo, our Golurk, there's our rare card, have this little V-Star card, and for our uncommons we have Hunting Gloves, Floatzel, and Staravia. So into our second pack, I will do the trick where I move the uncommons to the front, so that way we unveil the rare card last. Looks like this pack's starting off with another Bidoof. Boom, there's that code. So we will go 1, 2, 3. Put the uncommons at the front. We'll go through the uncommons first, unveil the rare last. So we have Morgrem, Asrola's Promotion. We have a Sigilf, another Bidoof, a Shinx, another Grimmer, Duskull, Farfetch'd. Here's our reverse holo with Alchemy. The Boss's Orders is our rare card. And we also have a Psychic Energy. So next up we have 3 booster packs from Fusion Strike. Bam, go ahead. 1, 2, 3. So we have Charjabug, Judge, Excadrill, Sandshrew, Cufant, Impidimp, Snorm, Onyx, a reverse holo is a Chansey, and lastly we have our first V, which is a Crabominable. It's our first ultra rare card of this video. Hopefully the first of more to come. One thing I have noticed is the Fusion Strike pack seems to be a lot harder to open than the Brilliant Stars ones were. Deal 1, 2, 3. We have a Galarian Persica, a Fusion Strike Energy, Elisa's Sparkle. There is a code for you guys that play online to use. There is a Galarian Zigzagoon, Mankey, Clauncher, Growlithe, Stuffle, and a Groagunk is our reverse holo, and our rare card is a Vikavolt. So no V, no ultra rare card. We're on our last pack for Fusion Strike. One, 2, 3. So we have a Duskpass, a Dancer, Pangoro. There is that code again. Just pause the video if you want to use that. Clauncher, Stuffle, Psygife, Toxel, Totodile. Our reverse holo is a Metapod, and then our rare card is Goodra. So this is our last booster pack, which is from Chilling Reign. So hopefully we get an ultra rare in this. It is our last pack. So we'll start off, bang, there's the code. 1, 2, 3. We have a Hatterene, Lairon, Steenie, Clobbopus, Ralts, Castform in the rainy form, Snova, a Galarian Yamask. There is our reverse holo, which is a Shaman, and unfortunately there is our rare card, which is a Galarian Weezing. So only one ultra rare in the boosters of this pack, which was that Crabominable. Still, I had great fun making this video and showing it to you guys. Hope you guys enjoyed it, and I will see you next time.